How to access video lectures on Coursera. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can access video courses on Coursera. Well, to access video lectures on Coursera, you'll need to either enroll in a course or utilize the audit option. Auditing a course provides free access to video lectures, readings, and public discussions, but you won't receive a certificate or graded assignments. So you can go to the Coursera website or you can go to the Coursera app and find the course you are interested in. Click the enroll button and choose the free audit option if available, or enroll in the course for free. So here you can choose any particular courses, right? For example, health here. Then you want to select the course and you can proceed to see enrollment options, and if it is available for free, you can do it for free, or if not, you can access it by paying a fee. Then once enrolled, navigate to the courses page and locate the weekly modules or sections. Within each module, you'll find the video lectures and other learning materials. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.